Office 365 Groups from Microsoft Office 365 Productivity Suite is a tool which enables teams to work together collaboratively. The teams can come together to work on projects. They get the advantage of shared mailbox and document storage repository. Microsoft intends to make its tools more interactive and collaborative. Hence, they have introduced a new feature known as connectors in Office 365 Groups. With Office 365 Group Connectors, you can easily track the information and content of other applications in real time. These connectors enable the group members to easily get filtered and relevant information in their shared inbox. There are approximately 50 Office 365 Group Connectors which are available today. In this video, I will show you how you can add the data from other services in Office 365 Groups using connectors. For that, you need to log into your Office 365 account with your credentials. From the app launcher, select the option as Mail to access your Office 365 groups. Select the Office 365 group from the list in which you want to add a connector. Let me select the group as Fortran Knowledge Innovation. From the ribbon in the group, select the option as Connectors. You will get the list of all the available connectors for Office 365. Browse the list of connectors to add the service of your choice. For example, if I want to add Yammer service to the Fortran Knowledge Innovation group, then I can search for Yammer in the connectors list. When I will find Yammer, I need to click on Add. A new window will open. The connector will by default take the account from which you have logged in to configure the Yammer services. Under Follow Yammer group, you can select the Yammer group which you want to connect with your Office 365 group. So let me type the name of the group as Fortran Knowledge Innovation. You can choose to get the notification for all the messages of that group, or only for new conversations, or for all the announcements made in that group. Under Yammer user, you can enter the email ID of any user for whose post updates you want an email notification. You can set the keywords for which you want notifications. For example, if I give the keywords as Fortran or cloud subscriptions, so the post having these keywords will get notified to me. Under frequency, you can also choose that how often you want the notifications for the post and updates. That is, you want the notification in every 15 minutes or in every 30 minutes or in every hour or after 6 hours accordingly. Then you can save the changes. As you can see, you will get the notification in your Office 365 group that the connector has been now connected to the group you have selected. Now let us check that whether we will receive any notification for the updates or conversations that we do in our Yammer account. So let me create an update under Fortran Knowledge Innovation group and then post my update. As you have connected the Yammer service for Fortran Knowledge Innovation group with your Office 365 group, you will get a notification in your Office 365 group under Conversations. This is for now. To know more about other advanced features of Microsoft Office 365 Productivity Suite, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.